Here they are, looking like big chickens now. Lazy days, I brought them out some snacks. Still too close to call on Alberti being a boy or a girl. But I'm very sure about Callie and Olga. Here's one of their mamas here. And here's the other crew. You see Indy's feathers are coming back in beautifully now. He's in a better mood too. Hey birds. Pretty birds. Some separation between mom and the babies, but they still sleep together, so it's kind of nice to have a nice family like that. Hey checkers. Oh, sorry. Yeah, you are checkers. Good. Okay, we're going to go inside and have a look.